Hello, Mr. Forbes. I hope you're well. So today I'm going to be talking about Access Module 9 and PowerPoint Module 11 in an event management context. First of all, here's my outline. I'll start by talking about event management, what it consists of. Then I'll talk about Access and how can it be related to an event management context. I'll then talk about PowerPoint and how PowerPoint can be related to event management. Then I'll be doing a small conclusion about things that I'm happy I have learned during the semester, and then I'll be showing you my sources. First of all, what is event management? So event management, I could say, is the art of planning and creating events. You can organize, decorate, create, and all things that are related to having the final event come to life. So you work with all types of people, clients, companies, caterers, name it. And to be a good event planners, you have to be organized, patient, coordinated. And these events can be festivals, shows, parties, marriages, all types of events. Why did I choose event management? I've always been somebody that was really organized and that loved to create things. And one day I said event management I think would be really the path for me. So this is why I wanted to see how what we learned this year would be related to it. So first of all, what is Access? Microsoft Access is a very powerful tool and we can accomplish many tasks with it. With Access, it is very easy to create macros and to help with everyday tasks. You can also create tables, forms, and more to help with all the information about clients, products, companies, and more. Creating tables helps to organize the useful information for companies. You can make tables with a list of customers, list of prices, and more. You can also decide what the data type will be. This is very useful because you can mention what type the data is going to be. For example, if it is a currency, a short text, a long text, numbers, and more. Here is an example of a table that I created with the data type. Creating navigation form is very useful when you want to present forms and tables in a very neat way. In fact, you can put all the tables or forms that you need to present under tabs, like I did right here with my 3 tables. When you want to present the forms and tables, the only thing that has to be done is press on these tabs. Next, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a very creative tool. In fact, PowerPoint helps to make attractive and efficient presentations. From school to professional work presentation, it is very easy to create a PowerPoint that fits the topic of the presentation in question. You can do this by changing the colors, the fonts, adding charts, images, and a lot more. So I created a PowerPoint presentation to present the different packages my event management company offered. In fact, I found it professional to present this to customers instead of just explaining to them what the packages consisted of. With this, you can create tables and the information can be easily transmitted. I also changed the colors and fonts so that it represented my company better. So as you see here, I have my 8 packages and what all of those consisted of. So I have the number of people per package, the location where the Christmas party will be held, if the drinks are included, and the price of the package. A PowerPoint photo album is a presentation that contains pictures that represent a specific theme. For example, I decided to create a photo album to present to my clients and show them the Christmas parties that my company's events already created. You can change the frames, colors, and add descriptions so that it fits the image of the company. In conclusion, I learned that it does take practice to be able to work with Access and PowerPoint. We saw that with the Word and Excel as well, that we had to do modules and the lab so that we could get better with it. Also, I learned that we can do a lot more than we think we can do, and that the information technology classes are very useful. Thank you very much.